Yeah, friends, this is the river Nzoia at the Mumias. It is between Mumias town and Shibale, overflooded. You can see how it is moving very fast, and the houses are submerged down the stream. Hope you are seeing it. This has been taken by Enoch Okonji. Part of this bridge was damaged, so we came around to see and witness the damage. We are glad that we can share with you this information for you to know that people downstream have lost their property, houses, household goods, their cows, chicken, their maize plantation, and even in some areas sugarcane and the rice has been damaged.